guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lili here, and today I'm going to show you how to create this look by using this new palette from the Naked. It's the Urban Decay Naked Cherry. If you want to know how to create this look with this amazing palette, just keep on watching. So let's get started by preparing my skin with the Biotherm Aquasource face cream and the La Roche Posay sunscreen with SPF 50. I like to mix these two together to protect and moisturize my skin for the whole day. And for my under eyes, I love using the Biotherm Aqua Revitalizer eye cream, and for my lips I use the Vaseline. For primer, I'm using the Becca Backlight primer filter that gives me some glow under my foundation, and before I use it I shake it very well. And yes, let's begin with my eye makeup, and here I'm using the Sephora concealer as a base. Here's an amazing palette from the Urban Decay, the Naked Cherry, with an amazing cherry pink shades, perfect for these autumn days. And for the first color, I'm using the Caution, and I'm putting it all over my upper eyelid. Then I use Fields with a blending brush, and I blended it over the crease. Then I put on Bing, and I'm also blending it in the crease and above the crease. So technically I just move on, I start with the lighter shades and I move to darker shades, and every time I blend it very well. Then to blend everything better, I use Juicy to give a little touch in the middle of the lid. And then I go back to a darker shade, Devilish, to darken up the eye crease again. And then with the help of some fixing spray, I use Ambitious to give this look a little sparkle. And I add fills in the lower eyelid. To highlight some eye corners, I'm using the hot spot on the brow bone and in the inner corner. So that was it for the eyes. Let's move on with foundation, and I'm just cleaning all the eyeshadow from the skin. Here I'm using the Becca Under Eyes Brightening Corrector with an orange effect to hide my dark circles. And for foundation, I'm using the Catrice HD Coverage, and I shake it very well before the use, and then I blend it in with my damp beauty blender all over my face and also my neck. This foundation has a medium coverage to a full coverage, so you actually can play with it. For concealer, I'm mixing the concealer from Sephora and the NYX HD Concealer together because they have two different shades, and the one is lighter than the other one, and so the lighter one just highlights my under eye. For contour my face, I start by highlighting some places on my face. And then I set it with my pressed powder by MAC Cosmetics. And for contouring, I'm using the Hoola bronzer by Benefit as always, using an angled brush from Zoeva, and I love to tap the bronzer on my cheeks, on the front and my neck. And of course I contour my nose with a flat brush. Move on to mascara. I'm using the Hypnose from Lancome, one of my favorite mascaras. And a little hint after applying the mascara, I love to brush my lashes with an empty mascara brush, and this one I'm using is the one from Benefit. They are a real mascara brush. To fill in my brows, I'm using the NYX eyebrow pencil in the shade Espresso. And then I'm using the Gimme brow gel from Benefit to get my brows in place. For blush, I'm using my current favorite from NYX, the pink shimmer shade. And for highlighter, I also use my current favorite, the Delicate Dew from Pixi Beauty. And last but not least, my lips. Here I'm using the Sephora lip pencil in the shade Rosewood and the new Stuna lip paint from Fenty Beauty in the shade Unveil on top. Voila! That's the end result. For this video, I hope you enjoyed it. Just leave me your thoughts in the comments down below. Leave me a thumbs up, and if you want to keep aware of my newest videos, just subscribe to my channel. And yes, see you next time. Bye bye. Look, I hope you enjoyed it, and if you wanna in the next weeks, just din awareness. If you want channel, just subscribe to my channel. Ah!